students. Today again I have come up with another wonderful information relating human eye in our ray optics topic. You will be fascinated and excited to know lot of facts that are related to our human eye. This is one of the finest optical instruments that our God has created for us. And once we look at and working of each part, you will be really excited and how things work out in our seeing objects. So today's topic is about human eye. Yes. Look at this human eye, and I will take you through a journey of what are the various parts, what are the functions working, and at the end a little math that is needed for us to answer questions in exams. You know, our eyeball is more or less a sphere, the diameter of which is about 2.5 centimeters. So just I want to highlight the important parts that one has to know and understand to have a complete, a clear picture about this wonderful optical instrument gifted by God. Look at this. The elevated portion, what we see from front is cornea. This elevated portion, what we see from front is cornea. Let us travel through the lens. Let us travel through this eyeball. So here you can see a jelly substance, and that jelly substance immediately after cornea is aqueous humor. This fills the space between a muscular region, what I am highlighting here, that muscular region is what is called iris. So this iris ends up with a hole, and that hole is what is called a pupil. So the front portion what we see is cornea. Behind that we have a muscular region with a hole called iris, and that hole is called pupil. The space between these two is filled with a gel substance which is called aqueous humor. And then back of this pupil, this is a crystalline lens that actually helps to capture the light falling on the eye for the next processing of that till we see it in the form of a image or anything like that. So this is a crystalline lens, very hard, bulged at the middle, and it is soft at the edges. And this is a convex lens, bulged at the middle, hard at the middle, soft at the edges. And you will appreciate the wonder that the God has created. This lens is held by a set of another muscles, ciliary muscles. They will hold this lens. Again I will come back to the working and functionality of this ciliary muscles and how lens. And then the eyeball is filled with another liquid, a jelly liquid, which is vitreous humor. This jelly liquid is aqueous humor, and this is vitreous humor. So why the liquids always tend to take the shape of a sphere? So this is why, as the eyeball is filled with liquid, it tend to take the shape of a sphere, and there is every reason for the spherical shape